Hello again, everyone. Welcome back to the Math Puzzle Crash Course. We have a simple mixed operations problem here. It's 3 times 2 plus 2 times 0 equals what? So if you'd like to at this point, you can pause the video and we'll come back and work this out together. All right, well, this one's pretty simple. Hopefully everyone agrees with that. If you remember your order of operations convention, multiplication has precedence over addition, and that's with or without parentheses. So you have 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 times 0 is 0. So the answer to the problem is 6 plus 0, or it's just equal to 6. And some people may wonder why. Well, there's this thing called the order of operations, which has been taught forever. This is really old, simple math. And multiplication is nothing more than shorthand for repeated addition. So you could actually take the multiplication and replace it with equivalent addition, and you're going to get the same answer. 3 times 2 is the same as adding 3 2's. 3 times 2 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 times 0 is the same thing as adding 2 zeros. Well, doesn't matter how many zeros you add, 0 plus 0 is 0. So 3 times 2 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 times 0 is the same thing as 0 plus 0. Well, if you add all those up, you're going to get the same answer of 6. Again, multiplication is repeated addition. Again, multiplication has precedence over addition and subtraction. That is part of the order of operations. So if you don't remember that, please go back and review it. There are acronyms like PEMDAS and BODMAS, BIDMAS, BEDMAS, things like that. They're memorization tools, but the order of operations is old math. It's been around a long time. It's some very basic stuff. So again, just refer to the links in the description. I've got a lot more information on the order of operations in those links, and I look forward to seeing everybody in the next video. Take care.